Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Now have a look at these beautiful plants. This is the first time I'm seeing such a plant, and this is the Brazilian lucky wood plant. I believe it's lucky to have that in the house. Now this is the Philodendron melanochrysum, yes. And have a look at this plant. The cherry-like fruit looks so very attractive. Beautiful bunches. There were a lot of pines, different types of pines. I think those are the mountain pines. And look at these beautiful red fruits. I don't think it's eatable, although. Now this is the showstopper of today's video. Look at the poinsettias. So many different types of poinsettias. That's the trio star, Calathea trio star. Oh my god. Look at the vibrant color. They look so very pretty. This freckled one was a bit costly. This is the fiddle leaf. Now that's the painted lady. Beside it are some cactus, the kalanchoe. I was interested in this kalanchoe, but suddenly I remembered I have the red one. Now this is the fiddle leaf again. These cacti are also very bright and colorful. That's the kalanchoe. Only two plants were there and the colors were same. Came across quite a lot of zygocactus which were all ready to bloom, and that's the monstera. There is another zygocactus with a pretty flower, another pot of zygocactus all ready to bloom. This is the monstera. Now that's the Syngonium moito, which was quite costly. Now look at the poinsettias, the main attraction of today's video. That's the Calathea. This is the Alocasia frydek, and here are a whole lot of colorful cactus all grafted on dragon fruits. And look at the zygocactus. A whole lot of buds. This was an interesting plant, the Aglaonema, a huge one. Beautiful. There were quite a lot of these plants. I forgot to ask the name. The ID of the plant is given there, Philodendron white princess. That's the orange marmalade. Again, the fiddle leaf, very very common these days. A whole lot of plants. This is the begonia, the polka dot one. I think 2-3 plants were there. Now actually there are many plants, the names which I do not know. That's the whale fin. And this was another interesting plant, a huge one. If one has a big space, this plant can be placed. And see, these are, I think these are the philodendron, if I'm not wrong. Now here is the begonia again, the polka dot one. This is the rattlesnake Calathea, which at one time I had, but it's gone now. Now that's a rubber plant and it's variegated. That's the philodendron, I think micans. Now these are all the ZZ plants, Zamiifolia, Zamioculcas. Now this is an interesting plant, Oxalis, which was also blooming. Beautiful. Now this is the only anthurium that I saw in bloom today. And again the trio star, That's the monkey tail cactus. Look at the cactus. That's philodendron there, a whole lot of it. This is the zygocactus, and this is the Syngonium moito. There are a whole lot of plants, the names of which I don't know. That's the zebra plant. I bought myself a plant. Can you guess which one? So thank you, my friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today. Bye bye.